Hello students, now we are going to start the second lesson of your literature. It is Nelson Mandela, Long Walk to Freedom. This is a very important lesson, and this lesson has been taken from the autobiography of Nelson Mandela, and also you are given before you read. Apartheid is a political system that separates people according to their race. You must know that what is apartheid. Apartheid. You know that in some countries, the blacks were ruled by the whites, and this process, this system is called apartheid. So, apartheid is a political system that separates people according to their race. Can you say which of the three countries named below had such a political system until very recently? United States of America, South Africa, or Australia? As we know, South Africa, because South Africa is famous for Nelson Mandela. That is we going to learn. Next, have you heard of Nelson Mandela? Mandela and his African National Congress spent a lifetime fighting against apartheid. Mandela had to spend 30 years in prison. Finally, democratic elections were held in South Africa in 1994, and Mandela became the first black president of a new nation. That means Nelson Mandela and his party, that was his African National Congress, they fought against the apartheid system in South Africa for 30 years. And you must know that he has spent 30 years of his life in prison. And after that, finally, the first democratic elections were held in South Africa in 1994, and the Mandela became first black president uh, of this new nation of South Africa. In this extract from his autobiography, Long Walk to Freedom, Mandela speaks about a historic occasion, the inauguration. Inauguration means the first day of a democratic country here. Here, inauguration means the first day of a democratic country. That means how the democratic country was declared in South Africa on the first day, on that occasion. He refers in his biography, Long Walk to Freedom. Can you guess what the occasion might be? Also asks, the author asks you that can you guess what would be the grandeur, the form, the of that day when the when the South Africa got its freedom and declared as a democratic country. Check your guess with this news item from BBC of 10th May 1994, also given a news of BBC in 1994. Mandela becomes South Africa's first black president. It is a news report of BBC of 10th May 1994. Nelson Mandela has become South Africa's first black president after more than 3 centuries of white rule. After 3 centuries of white rule, remember, that means up to 300 years the white ruled over the black, and after the 3 centuries they came when the South Africa became a complete democratic country. Mr. Mandela's African National Congress ANC party won 252 of the 400 seats in the first democratic election of South Africa's history. Look, the first, already I have told you, the first uh, democratic election were held in 1994 in South Africa, and there were total 400 seats of councillors, whatever you say, of members of the councillors, and out of 400, 252 seats were won by the African National Congress. And the inauguration ceremony took place in the Union Buildings Amphitheatre in Pretoria today, attended by politicians and dignitaries from more than 140 countries around the world. And when the first day they were going to celebrate, and they were the president, the first black president of South Africa, Mr. Mandela, was going to take the oath as the president of the South Africa. There was a very grand day, and the representatives and dignitaries, politicians, scholars from 140 countries come to watch this grand day. Never, never again will the beautiful land experience the oppression of one by another. And he says that this news says that this country will never again see the oppression by another. That means no one will oppress another. That means there will be no any discrimination regarding race, caste, or color, said Nelson Mandela in his address. Jubilant scenes on the streets of Pretoria followed the ceremony with blacks, whites, and colored celebrating together. More than 1 lakh South African men, women, and children of all races sang and danced with joy. That means they celebrated this day with great pomp and show, and lakhs of people came there to enjoy this event, to watch this event, to witness this event, and it was a great day for the African history, not only for African history, also for the world history, because after 300 of years, South Africa was going to be a complete democratic country, and Nelson Mandela was going to be the first black president of South Africa. And next we will the next video on Monday I will start the lesson. And first of all, I have already told the plot of this lesson, that this lesson is based on the inauguration ceremony, that how the African people celebrated, how the inauguration ceremony happened or celebrated in that country. Thank you.